Hello, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I like to unbox things, all kinds of things. I also like to vlog vacations, and I like to vlog and review restaurants all over the world. Today, I'm going to review for you the last Rocksbox that I got. Now, I am behind on this box. I don't know, this last week just went really super fast for some reason, and I actually did not get a chance to cancel my membership before they sent out the last box. So I will be keeping this box for just a couple more weeks. I need to find a piece that I like. I know that the current shipment that is on its way here now, I don't think I'm gonna like any of those pieces, so I'll probably get one more box out of that to use my $21 credit so it doesn't go to waste, and then I will be canceling. So by the second week or so of May, I will be canceling. If you want to try this subscription, I suggest you use my link. The first month is on me, but you also get that credited to your account. A couple of quick disclaimers. I have a couple of giveaways. I have a current giveaway that's going on. I'll link that down below, and I also have a future giveaway announcement. I will link that down below for you guys. And as I've been trying to say every day, next month is my birthday month. So I'm not sure how uploading is going to go for me. I'm going to try to record on the days that I am at home, and then try to get them up like I have been. I'm not sure how it's gonna work out since I've never been, or I've never had to, do, this before. So it's all new to me. But today I have for you the review for my last Rocksbox. And the next Rocksbox that I get, you will also be seeing that fairly soon, just because it's supposed to get here today. But this video won't actually probably go up until Wednesday, and then the new Rocksbox I'll probably put up on Thursday. Just so you know, I have been sitting on this review for about a week. So let's get into it. And I will put pictures up in the corners to remind you what these pieces were. The first piece was the Kendra Scott Candace cuff in gold and silver, and it was $75. I liked this bracelet. I wore it out whenever I wore the green dress. So not this past Friday, but the Friday before that. I wore it out on date night. I liked it. I did. I thought it was pretty, but I sent it back. I just felt like it wasn't worth the price. I don't know, just $75. I couldn't get over that hump. So I sent it back. The second item was the Aster Reed ring in mother of pearl. The retail price was $60 and the cost to me would have been $51. It wasn't my style, sent it back. The third piece was the Ava Rose Cheyenne necklace in rose gold with rose gold druidsy. The retail price was $60 and the cost to me would have been $51. I did keep this piece. I thought it was really pretty. I liked it. Now, I will say, when I peeked at my current box that's coming up, they put a bracelet in the current one that's almost identical to the one that I have already bought, which I think is kind of weird, but anyway, I'll get more into that, or I'll mention that again in the next video. Anyway, so I did keep the necklace, and again, that's really all for the review for the last Rocksbox. So I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day. Bye.